Hey, BG, smile.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Spiritline Flight to service to Las Vegas. If you may see a couple of seats open, please refrain from
He called me.
moving into
We're about
those
to get in.
empty
He just
seats
says
as
I'm
we're
on the
still in
way.
boarding process. Please sit as permitted your time. We're pleased to offer our guests and comfy seats as well as our free.
Some of that, boy.
This thing right here, check this out. What? Damn. I've been wanting to see this. I see this on this one. So,
The retro Castrol livery.
little Corolla, bro.
Sick.
Off-road stuff.
It is.
Are there arms?
Not even recording. No.
What's up, Jeff?
That's it. No, sir.
Yeah, that bar is not it, dude.
What happened there?
They ran out of time.
2-inch too, bro. That's brave.
This bull bar is tough to swallow right now. Yeah.
That skid plate, bro.
Let's get there too.
Build this?
Yeah, I own this.
Yeah, this is my ride.
My ride. It's not how you stand by a car, it's how you race your car.
You better learn that.
so I don't want to hear shit about right? Are you recording? You hear me?
Yeah, it actually was recording.
Yeah. I don't want to hear nothing. Look, I see a hood, doors open.
Doors open, man.
I don't want to hear it. It's all Stiller and all the names right on the hood. Just bam.
Hey!
Yo! What up? We made it. We made it.
Nice job, dog.
Not too bad. I'm complaining about my alignment.
Yeah, let's fix that thing. Get a jack. Do we have a jack?
Do you care? Jack right there.
I don't know if they care, but like,
Dude, it'll be 2 minutes.
Lift it up and that's it.
It'll take 1 minute.
Yes.
It'll take 1 minute.
And I'll get some shots of you working on your truck, and people will be like, "Whoa, he actually built that thing."
Yeah,
That's
whoa.
crazy. He's actually out there working on his own shit at SEMA. That guy's a savage.
Salvage.
Salvage. That guy's a salvage.
dude, it's got a really good response. Like, so I got a message. The pins.
Can't you see his roadway
Those
there?
the little
Yeah,
pins?
people honking at us.
The lean custom.
Stop horning on me.
Right there. Hey guys, we're back. We made it to SEMA 2024 with the HELLTACO. We are at the Toyo Tires Tread Pass booth, showing it off. And what do you think, CJ?
We killed it. You know, I did an awesome job. The reaction from everyone's been really great. It's been a great turnout so far, and the truck's looking dialed.
Now comes the fun part of thrashing it. After the show, test and tune, and a full send.
I like the Me 50 badge too.
Dude, I reposted. I didn't realize what that guy said, and I guess so many people respect the name.
Yeah.
So as you saw in the last episode, we are still in fabrication mode. Now that it's done, the bedside's installed, painted, we've got the whole back end done.
Well, I'm really
no
fucking
dust.
mad at you.
I know, I'm trying.
Bro. And someone got some greasy prints on the A-pillar.
Hey, we didn't do a full detail, bro.
Oh, what? I thought I went to the detail shop. Oh yeah, how's it getting there? It's a tight fit.
You like it? How you fitting here?
I'm ready to go, bro. This Uber is taking me straight to Barstow. We're headed there right now, so
For Del Taco.
For Del Taco, and then after that we get sending the taco at Del Taco. Anyway, so doing all that. So we got the bitch bar in the front. Let's go.
This your truck?
Yeah.
You built all of it?
I built all of it. I did the bodywork, wiring, plumbing, and then Stellar Built did the frame, the chassis, and the cage. So it's a Tacoma cab, but then a custom Tundra front wide fiberglass and a custom Tundra rear fiberglass with the Hellcat engine. I twin turboed it, blew up the engine. I want to put a better engine in there. I was gonna put a 2JZ, but then I saw this Hellcat come up, and I'm like, it'd be perfect. A big ass V8, all supercharged. What better? Throw a big ass motor in here. So that's what. Then it kind of went down the rabbit hole of doing a roll cage, doing the tube frame, and this is actually a Ford twin I-beam front suspension. So it's from a Ford Bronco. These actually go crisscross like an X, like a brace, and that's how you get this. A lot of travel and stuff. So just something wild. I want to build something, take my family in, but also go do hood rat shit.
Yeah. Is that what you built it to?
Yeah,
like,
had no
take it
purpose
off
built.
road and
Yeah,
do?
just to f around.
Hell yeah.
6.2 Hellcat, and we didn't just do an engine. I did the entire ECM module, gauge cluster, so it has all the electronics and dash from a Hellcat into a Toyota.
Right.
So a lot to fit that. That's a big motor. That Hemi is a big motor to fit in there. Not like your LS or.
That's got some torque.
Oh yeah, torque. And a whine.
I'll show you where the 2JZ would have went.
Oh, she found it. You found
I
it.
did. It's gorgeous. Oh, that is so cool. You know, it would be even cooler if there was a 2J in there. It's sick though. I want it. How much?
Well, actually, we started with the 2J, but not enough cylinders.
You know, no. I know a 6 second. I don't like those noises. I don't like those noises.
No? They whine too much?
Yeah, they're too whiny.
Yeah.
I'm a female. I don't need my car to whine too. It's so sick.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? They got done like Saturday. So, same thrashing you're doing.
Are we gonna pre-run this?
Yes.
Yes? Yeah.
Even drift stance, just so you can see it.
I thank you. You know, I'm all for the camber light. My car's got a little camber too.
Yeah.
Not on purpose.
Same here.
Right? Accidental camber.
It's not broken, I promise.
This is the SEMA camera.
Yeah, we all have it. We all have it. You can see that.
don't know much about it really. It's a Willys. It's orange. It's got king shocks. I see the orange though. I think that would look cool on Stewart's.
That would have probably looked cool.
Yeah, you're good.
Oh wow, you're so cool. You got the signature?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna sell it on eBay now. This will go next to my Flavor Flav signed hat.
Yeah.
Then again in Flavor Flav, that's where I got.
Thank you. Thanks. Oh, okay. That's easy one for me to remember. Yeah.
Hard part was getting transmission. It's all electronic. Okay, yeah. Okay, this transmission. It's not just a. Check this out. Well guys, day 2 is coming to an end. We're gonna wrap up this video. Big thanks to Toyo Tires for having the Hellcat here in their Tread Pass booth. We had an awesome response. It's been a great SEMA. We got Battle of the Builders top 40, so we'll see what it holds up for us in the future, see if we make the top 10. And what do you think, CJ?
It's been outstanding response. The truck turned out amazing. The amount of people involved with this project, it's a lot of labor, a lot of sweat, and a lot of people love it, and it's stoked to see it here at SEMA. If you aren't familiar with this truck, make sure you check out the other 2 first videos we did on this, on the entire build up to SEMA, and we'll give you all the details pretty much on the 4th video for rig check. So.
Yeah, the final video will be our test and tune, take it out, rip it, and the final rig check. So be sure to tune in for that, and we'll catch you guys later.
Hey driver,
Tires,
you
front
hit
tires.
the,
Why is the front tires like that? I know.
can you hit the switch? Can you do the thing? Yeah. We should take this Toyota, just do like a little
Oil change.
like a oil change.
Dude, I think that billet dash turned
Well,
out.
you know,
Bro,
just
it's fucking sick.
Miso in the middle. The whole
see if they can do a tune-up.
I designed it. Look, got the Garmin in there, the Tread XL.
Bolt check.
Hardware, 12 points holding it on. I 3D printed.
Send it.